Our next logical operator is OR. And that is, it's also known as the disjunctive. So the disjunctive slash OR is the logical operator that's defined in the following way. Let P and Q be propositions, then say run off the screen right there. Then P or Q is the proposition that is true when either P, Q, or both P and Q are true right here. So the way that you would pronounce this particular set of symbols right here, you would say, so you would read this, P or Q. There are a bunch of different ways that you can actually say this. You could say the disjunctive of P and Q, or you could say P inclusive or Q. The reason why I say inclusive right here will become a little bit more obvious in the future. But once again, let's go ahead and look at the truth table for this particular logical operator. So once again, this compound expression, P or Q, involves two variables. So for this truth table here, I'm again have to write both P and Q in the compound expression P or Q. Once again, writing down all the possible values for the truth values of these particular variables, P and Q. True, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. And so let's go ahead and see how we can complete this particular truth table. So that's a proposition that's true when either P or Q or both are true. So here, well, they're both true. So by the definition, this compound expression is going to be true. True and false, well, by the definition, yeah, at least one of them is true. So this is going to be true. Here, well, Q is true, so at least one of them is true. So this compound expression is also true. In this last case, both of our variables here are false. So in this case, this compound expression is going to take on the value of false. So back to our example right here, if we're looking at these two propositions, P is the proposition 1 plus 1 equals 2, Q is the proposition 1 plus 1 equals 3, then what do you think the truth value of P or Q is? Well, we already established that P is true, and by definition of the disjunctive OR, you only need one of those variables to be true. So this compound expression has the truth value of true, because at least one of these propositions, P or Q, in particular P, is true. And that is the definition of the disjunctive or the OR